Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock plugins sound good easy method. Start by choosing a neutral preset and load a reference track to match the tone. Solo the instrument briefly, then unsolo to check context. Use subtle gain staging, gentle EQ moves, and light compression to preserve dynamics. Trust small adjustments and a /B frequently to prevent overprocessing and keep the mix natural. In this video, I will explain how to make stock plugins sound good easy method. Begin by removing problem frequencies with narrow cuts, then craft tone with wide boosts where needed. Aim for subtraction before addition to keep clarity and headroom. Use your ears and compare with a reference to ensure tonal balance. Small musical moves will make stock EQs sound professional and keep the instrument sitting well in the mix. In this video, I will explain how to make stock plugins sound good easy method. Start with gentle compression to control peaks while preserving transients, then blend parallel compression for added weight. Add short, subtle reverb or slap delay to place elements in a realistic space. Automate dynamics and plugin parameters to keep interest and consistency across the arrangement. These techniques help basic stock tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.